But what the most people don't realize is that there are many tiers of logistic providers, and their services vary based on the needs of your company. Therefore, to have a better choice and as a businessman or company, you need to know logistic process to define liability limitation in your contract and other documents. So, let's start this topic with talking about logistic parties. Generally, there are 5 models of logistic party. The first party logistics involve just 2 parties. Any business that directly moves goods between 2 sites or 2 locations can be categorized as a 1PL provider. It means a person who ships cargo to customers, and it could be shippers, manufacturers, and distributors. So here, there are no other middlemen. First party manages cargo transportation and other arrangements on its own. Second party logistics provider. A second party logistic provider, 2PL, handles their transportation. They have their own vehicles or maybe leased and chartered. They focus solely on the transportation sector of business. Examples of 2PLs include airline, shipping lines, and hauling companies that operate vehicles. So here we have a seller, supplier, and shipping company. Third-party logistic provider. In logistic process, sometimes you need more services. For instance, packing. For companies looking to outsource their entire logistic process, 3PLs are the answer. They are able to handle the management of receiving, inventory warehousing, packing, and shipping, and letting e-commerce business focus on other important area of their company. Some 3PL businesses offer additional logistics services known as a value-added services. These include inventory management, kitting, assembling, and more. 4PL or fourth party logistics provider. Fourth party logistics providers act as consultants. While their services are similar to a 3PL, they lack the physical means to move inventory through the supply chain themselves. Instead, a 4PL will contact and negotiate services between the necessary companies on your behalf. For instance, in this scenario, a farmer will hire a 4PL to outsource its entire logistic operation effectively. The 4PL may coordinate grocery stores, a stock of eggs to increase when it declines. 5PL or fifth party logistic provider. One step above a 4PL. It involves a fully integrated logistics solution to encompass the entire supply chain from beginning to end through multiple outsourced logistic providers. But what is different with 4PL? In 5PL, we manage process with the integration of some companies. It could be a mix of some 3PL services, and through technology like blockchain, robotics, automation, Bluetooth beacons, and radio frequency identification devices. In the next video, we will complete logistic process with another title. So I say bye for now. See you soon.